Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the basic interview questions on JavaScript and Express.js. First one, it is basically Node.js interview questions. First question, here, what is Node.js and how it is different from the other server-side technologies like apps or PHP? Node.js is basically a powerful open source server-side runtime environment. It basically used for the to run the JavaScript codes on your website which you are developing. Key aspects of the Node.js is JavaScript runtime environment. It basically execution of JavaScript code. Node.js is basically also used for the event-driven architecture and non-blocking in input-output operations. It is also used for single thread with event loop. This basically it operates the single thread event loop model. It Node.js is also one of NPM. NPM is Node Package Manager is also one of the key feature of the Node.js version. The basic difference between the Node.js was app is language and concurrency and usage. And it is basic difference between Node.js and PHP is language. Basically, Node.js uses the JavaScript, where PHP uses the server-side scripting performance. Node.js is generally faster than the PHP, where PHP is later slower than the Node.js. This is the basic question. What next question is what is callback function in Node.js and why they are commonly used in asynchronous web? A callback function in Node.js is basically argument which is present in another function or another argument. Simply says as recursion functions like callback are fundamental components concept in asynchronous programming languages. Asynchronous callback functions are used to handle the operations that are unknown amount of time. These functions mainly used for handle the fun- uh, handle the handle the programs that are unknown time which the process takes place. This is basically used in asynchronous programming. Next question is what is the purpose of package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? File. Basically, the package.json file is crucial comment in Node.js project. It basically essentially consists of the metadata which are used for the project that helps to manage the dependencies, scripts, and more. The main purpose of the package JSON is metadata, contains the information about process such as name, where it located, and etc. And dependency management. Dependency management is consists of list of dependencies. Dependencies nothing but which are used for that project and script, etc. Three properties of package of JSON mainly consists name, which indicates the name of the project. Versions, it indicates the version of the project. And description. Description are mainly describes the basic details of the project. Script depends the execution of npm run, including start, test, build, etc. Next question. Explain the difference between the require and import statements in Node.js. When and why they are used one over another. The main difference between the require and import statements in Node.js is basically require is used to load the modules by using the common JavaScript syntax, while import is used with unscripted 2015 modules. The key difference including between the Node.js, require and import is syntax. Basically, require uses the common JavaScript syntax, where while import uses the ES6 module syntax. Support. Require is natively supported in Node.js, while import requires the ES module support, which is which we have to use as extensions like JSON or using the m.mjs extensions. This is the basic difference between the require and import statement. Next question. What is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give example on how the uses of the middleware in Express application? In context of Express.js, middleware refers the functions that are executing during the lifetime request to an Express application. This function basically consists of the two arguments. They are request. Request mainly represented the REQ and response mainly represented by using the RES. And next middleware function application. Middleware can perform the variety of tasks such as modifying the objects, response of objects, ending the request response, etc. This is the main function. Example for middleware functions like constant logger equal to request, response, and next. Then constant dot print the method which we want. Example, etc. These are the basic use of the middlewares in the Express.js. Now, the sixth question mainly in the what is RESTful APIs and how can create one using Node.js and Express.js. Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. The RESTful APIs mainly represents the representational state transfer architecture style for designing the network application is the full form of the RESTful. It mainly uses the standard HTTP methods and to interact with the resources and endpoints. The main HTTP PS of RESTful APIs mainly consists of so many methods. They are APIs are get method mainly used to retrieve the data from the server. Post method send the data to the server and create a resource. Put method mainly used to update an existing resource on the server. Delete method mainly used to remove the some data or source which we want from the server. This is the main use of the RESTful APIs in the Node.js and also Express.js. Next question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager, which simply called as NPM, and how do you use it and manage the dependencies in a project? Node.js project. The Node Package Manager is simply called as NPM. It is basically used tool that use it to manage the packages or dependency which we need in our project. The main purpose of the npm is a package management. It provides the with exploratory open source packages that in also second one is dependency management. It automates the process of installing the various dependencies that we want to our project. Third main purpose is versioning. It helps to maintain the consistent version of the dependencies across the world. This is the main use of the npm, which is nothing but node package manager. The last question is why it is important to hash the passwords in web applications. Hashing passwords is crucial for the web application. There are various server regions. First one, the main purpose of the hashing mainly involves in security protection against the data breaches. If data breaches means if suppose if any attackers or hackers get the database, they did not know the passwords. So one-way encryption. The second thing is we use it for hash password one-way encryption. One-way encryption is basically said In this way, the password is only accessible or known to the user who created that. So it is invisible to the all the others, even to the website managers are also. So it is very important for the creating put the passwords in hash mode to the thank you.